Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll be comparing Coolpad's latest budget phone, the Cool 30, with the Coolpad Cool 20. Most of the specs of both devices are quite similar, so in this video we'll be finding out the differences and similarities between the two devices by comparing their specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it.
Perfect.
So as you can see guys, the Cool 30 and the Cool 20 are very similar in terms of specs. I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.